Hey Zoe, do you know what makes us strong, smart, and super cool?
Maybe I have superhero capes.
Nope, it's our secret weapon. Balanced diet.
Balanced diet? Is that like balancing burgers and ice cream?
No way. A balanced diet is about eating different kinds of foods that give our bodies everything they need. Let me break it down for you. So there are these amazing things called nutrients that we need. First up, let's talk about vitamins.
What are vitamins and why do we need them?
Vitamins are like tiny helpers that keep our bodies working properly. Vitamin A helps our eyes see in the dark, like magic night vision goggles.
Cool. What foods have vitamin A?
Carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. They're like superhero snacks for our eyes.
What about protein? Is that like lifting weights?
Exactly. Protein helps us grow muscles and stay strong. It's like the building blocks for our body.
Nice. What foods give us protein?
Chicken, eggs, and beans are protein powerhouses. They make us strong and ready for action.
Now, what about fish? Are they like underwater superheroes?
Totally. Fish give us omega-3 fatty acids, which are like brain boosters. They make us super smart.
I want to be a fish now.
Don't forget about calcium. It's like the fortress for our bones and teeth.
Where can we find calcium?
Milk, cheese, and yogurt are calcium kings. They make our bones as strong as a castle.
Thanks for the NutriQuest, Alex. Now I know how to be a superhero with a balanced diet.
Anytime, Zoe. Let's go conquer the world with our healthy choices. Stay tuned for more NutriQuest adventures, like subscribe and share for a healthy and happy life. Subscribe to Kidzee and keep learning new facts. Bye everyone, take care.